Stop. If you think the only way to lose fat is to feel hungry all day, you've been lied to. In fact, that starvation mode you're putting yourself in is likely the exact reason your progress has stalled. Most people treat fat loss like a math equation where they just subtract food until they're miserable. But your body isn't a calculator. It's a survival machine. Today, I'm showing you the smart eating framework we use at Fit Fuel Academy to drop fat without losing your mind or your muscle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why eating more of the right things is the secret key you've been missing. First, let's talk about the biggest mistake, calorie density. You can eat a tiny bag of chips or you can eat 2 pounds of zucchini. Both have the same calories, but only one keeps you full. This is called volume eating. To lose fat without starving, you need to fill your plate with high-volume, low-calorie foods. Think leafy greens, berries, and cruciferous vegetables. Your stomach has stretch receptors. It doesn't count calories, it counts how much space is filled. If you fill it with fiber and water, your brain stops sending hunger signals. It's a biological hack. Next up, the protein secret. If you aren't hitting at least 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, your body will stay hungry. Why? Because your body is literally searching for the building blocks it needs to maintain your muscle. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. It takes more energy for your body to digest, that's the thermic effect of food, and it keeps you fuller for significantly longer than carbs or fats. If you're struggling with cravings at 9 p.m., I can almost guarantee you didn't eat enough protein at lunch. Here is the truth. A diet you can only keep for 2 weeks isn't a diet, it's a detour. To actually reach monetization level consistency on your fitness journey, you need the 80-20 rule. 80% of your food should be fuel, whole, unprocessed, high-protein foods. The other 20%, that's for your sanity. If you love chocolate, have a small piece. If you love pizza, have a slice on Friday. When you stop banning foods, you stop the cycle of binging. Success in fat loss isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Look, I know this can feel overwhelming when you're just starting out. That's why I put everything we talked about today, the volume eating list, the protein calculations. You can grab your copy at the link in the description below to jumpstart your results today. If this video helped you see nutrition differently, hit that like button and subscribe. We're on the road to 4,000 hours, and I'm glad you're part of the team. Stay fueled, and I'll see you in the next one.